Hello beautiful and amazing people, welcome back to my channel. How we are doing? Hope we are doing fine. Today is the first time I'm coming across my channel. You are highly welcome. My name is Ria Vivian. Welcome to the family. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell beside that subscribe button. I upload a new video, you will always be notified about my new video. And to my OGs, I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much guys. You guys are super amazing. So guys, today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing my baby stroller with you guys. It's a double stroller for two children, as in for a toddler and a baby. Actually, let me just put it that way. So I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. They just arrived now. We ordered it from Amazon yesterday and just arrived today. And then I said, let me unbox with you guys so that you guys will see how it looks like. So you tell me if the thing is okay or not. So guys, this is a stroller, not big, because the one we had before is for a single child, and then my 2-year-old baby, anytime we put the little baby on the stroller, she will be dragging, she will be crying that she wants to enter, because she knows that it actually belongs to her, because we bought that 2 years ago when I gave birth to her. So anytime we put baby in the stroller, she will be crying, saying that it's mine, and me, and that it means it's mine. So that's why we decided to buy another one, which is double, so that the two of them can be using it together. Because anytime we are going out, she likes to walk, but once she sees that you put baby in that stroller, she will not want to walk anymore. She will just start shouting, Emiya, it's mine. She will just be shouting that the baby should come down, and then she wants to enter the stroller. So that's why we said, okay, let's buy a double one for them, so that they can take two of them. And very soon Obi will be resuming work, and I will have to pick her up from school. So if she should walk, it will take us a long time for us to get home, because she will not walk as fast as I want. So that's why we decided to buy this double one, that will just take two of them, so that the journey will be so fast and smooth. So this is it guys, let me not talk too much, let's just do the unboxing.
We say our goodbyes and light up like fireflies, 'cause there's so many things left to explore. I don't you back. Your heart is safe with mine, and I can't find the words to keep you, but I don't think I want to, 'cause we're living it up for love, living it up for love. Just keep living it up for love, living it up for love. Whatever is good for you.
I'm done installing the stroller, the baby stroller. I'm sorry I could not show you guys the remaining part of the video because when I was filming, my baby and the hubby came back from school and noise everywhere, so I could not show the other part of the video. So, but I'm done installing it. As you can see, it's so beautiful, guys. I really love it. This one is actually 2-in-1. This is 2-in-1. When the baby gets to about 3-4 months, then raise it up. She will start sitting on it. But for now, she'll be lying down on the stroller because she's still very small. So for now, she'll be using this one. She'll be using it this way because she'll be lying down. Then this one is for my toddler, my little toddler. This is where she'll be staying. So this one is, she can use it up to 6 years. So that's what they said, from 0 to 6 years. She can still use this one if she wants to. If I'm going out with only her, she can still use this one. And she'll have to sit down, have to raise it up. So that's it, guys. So sorry guys, Italian we call it passeggino, so that's what we mostly call it here. So the stroller is so beautiful, I really love it, and it's very strong. And this is the rain cover that came with it. I don't know what they call it, but this one is what we use to cover the children when there's when it's raining. So it came, these two came with it because one for the bigger one and one for the smaller stroller. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is going to be the end of the video for today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Leave a beautiful comment for me in the comment section below. What do you think about the stroller? What do you think about it? It took me a long time to get this stroller, but we just have to buy it because the ones I see is for twins that are of the same age. So you know, one is older than one, so it took me a lot of time to get this one. But I'm glad I got it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Is it worth buying? Is it beautiful? Do you like it? Or what do you think? Or would you suggest another thing if you had the time or the chance to do so? So thank you so much for watching. If you've watched to this extent, I really appreciate you all. You guys are super amazing. Please don't forget to thumbs up, leave a beautiful comment for me in the comment section below, and then I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye for now.
Many ways